Hey, everyone. If you're an actuarial student looking to take the Institute and Faculty of Actuaries, or IFoA, exams as a non-member, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process to register and book your exam. Let's get started. First things first, you need to create an IFoA online account. Head over to the IFoA website and sign up by entering your personal details. Once you've done that, you'll receive an email to activate your account. After activation, you'll get further details about non-member status and student registration from IFoA via mail. Next up, you need to apply for non-member student status. Log into your account and find the non-member registration form. Fill out the form carefully, agreeing to the IFoA's assessment regulations, the Actuary's code, and other examination policies. If your annual income is below £8,300, don't forget to complete the section for reduced exam fees. This can really help you save some money. Once your non-member student status is confirmed, it's time to book your exam. Log back into your IFoA account and navigate to the My Exams section. Click on Book an Exam and choose either the CS1 or CM1 exam. The booking window for non-members opens on the 10th of February 2025 and closes on the 21st of February 2025 at 17:00 UK time, so mark those dates. Payments can be made via credit, debit card or PayPal. It's a good idea to sit for practice sessions conducted by IFoA. You'll receive a survey form via mail to register for these sessions. This will give you a great opportunity to familiarize yourself with the exam format and boost your confidence. As for the important dates, the exam entry period for the April 2025 session opens on the 10th of February 2025 and closes on the 21st of February 2025 at 17:00 UK time. The actual exams will start from the 7th of April 2025. And that's it. Follow these steps, keep an eye on the important dates, and you'll be all set to take your IFoA exams as a non-member. Best of luck with your studies, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful guides. Catch you in the next video.